sa maling pag-iisip. Pangarap mo raw mananatiling isang panaginip. Sabi nila di raw kakayanin, kaya't ika'y sumuko at nagpasyang wag nang subukin. Nagkamali ka ng napuntahan, pero ikaw ay natauhan. Umaling ka lang sa tamang daan.
They say that time is the best expression of love. It is essential. It is essential to keep a romantic relationship alive and long-lasting. May this gift reminds you that I love you and in infinite times and infinite forms, and I promise to love you forever. I love you, baby. What's your name? Para magkita yan. Para magkita yan. Ah, okay. Thank you.
Diamond is precious, so as you. Time is gold, especially when I am with you. May this gift reminds you that I need you every single day of my life. And even though forever might be such a long time, I would not mind spending a lifetime of forever with you by my side. I love you, baby. Wow.
It is not good for the man to be alone. I will make a suitable partner for him. This one shall be called woman, for out of her man this one has been taken.
So marriage is a friendship. Amigo man mo, friends man mo, dili lang mo couple, you are also friends. So presence is important. Jerome and Mitch, you dialogue, you talk to each other. Every day, pag kumustahay mo, console each other, cry for each other, cry with each other. Sacrifice money for the one you love. And of course, the most important, make God the center of your family life. Every morning, as soon as, para punistanan, as soon as you wake up, para dili mo tapulan, bubo ra kaayo, very short prayer, so that you can imitate God's love. Ing nadayon ninyo, Lord, may I be your heart today. Jerome and Mitch be your heart today and every day. Amen.